guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all having a great day. If not, I certainly hope it gets better for you. So got the STI up here, got the rear jacked up, the front has not been touched yet, lowering spring, got some TEIN STECH we're going to throw on here. I've got that one on already, getting ready to switch to the other rear. Then I'll drop the rear, turn the car around, back it in, and lift the front up. But supposed to drop right around an inch all the way around, which should be about perfect. Ran into a guy with some iBox springs at a local meet last Saturday. He had 1 inch drop, and he had some, I believe they were 18 by 9.5s. Just a little bit of poke, looked really good. So we'll see what happens with the drop. All right, YouTube, I'm back. Got the car lowered. I know I said I was going to take some more video. I ended up not taking any additional video just because I wanted to get the car lowered. I was kind of on a time constraint. I wanted to get it lowered. Had some stuff I wanted to go do around town the following day. So overall, it took me about 3.5 hours from the car completely on the ground to jacked up, replacing all of the springs all the way around, and putting on the TEIN suspension. So far, the TEIN suspension it's ridden really well. We took it up to some mountains a couple of days ago. Rode absolutely phenomenal. The body roll has been significantly reduced. Some things that I do recommend is getting these are just Allen wrenches with a 3/8 drive to set into the top of the top hat. And then the other thing that I recommend is, see if I can find them, through sockets. These are an absolute game changer. You basically just give your socket, sets on there, and then it actually there's actually a hole through the all the way through. So basically it allows you to use this to put on the nut for the top hat, and then you will take this, put it through, and that way you can break the bolt loose. You could do it other ways. You can use an impact. I've had semi degrees of success with that. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. The last time I did it, I actually took a socket, took a pair of vice grips, and another Allen key and used that. It actually turned out completely terrible. It wasn't that it was bad, it didn't work, it just took an absolute eternity to do it. So I think the suspension came out and looks really good. These are probably, like, for me, this is the perfect height. I don't really want to lower the car any more than this, so I don't plan on going coilovers. Some people may not. That's your choice. A guy that I talked to at one of our local events was talking about, he was on lowering springs, he was on iBox, and they looked really good. So I saw these, went with these, and I'm actually really happy. So these are the TEIN STECH. I don't know what I did with my box. Oh, they're just the TEIN STECH. Recommend them. Got them from one of our guys that we deal with, Defined Performance, out of Missouri, I believe. Jordan was super nice to deal with, super easy to deal with. His price was probably better than any other company. So super happy with it. Recommend them. I'm going to throw in some photos that I took of the vehicle after it's been lowered with some more scenic things out. I'll throw those in towards the end of the video. So if you guys have any questions about it, let me know. It was kind of a short video, but if you have questions about the installation, how I like them, anything like that, let me know. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, you can thumbs down it, but please tell me why. Give me some constructive feedback. Other than that, guys, I appreciate it, and y'all have a wonderful day.